All right, hey guys. Thank you for checking in right away. Weston, I see you checked in. Kaylee, Chloe, Jeremy, Greta, I've seen you checked in. Caitlin. Thank you guys for checking in. If biggest thing, if you have questions, let me know. Zoe, thank you for checking in. Maddox, thank you for checking in. If you guys have questions, give me the lesson and the lesson and the number that you need help on. Otherwise, if you don't have any questions, just check in and then you guys can head out right away. Jesselyn, thank you for checking in. Ella, Charlie, thank you for checking in. Cadence, thank you. Wyatt, thank you for checking in. Weston, hello. Nice to hear from you. Cammy, thank you for checking in. Kaylee, thank you for checking in. Emma, thank you for checking in. Carson. Jesselyn, I have no idea. That's that's weird. Gabe, thank you for checking in. Matthew and Noah, thank you for checking in. Bristol, thank you for checking in. Again, if you guys have questions, give me the lesson number or what lesson it's from and what number you need help on. Gabri, thank you for checking in. Caden, thank you for checking in. Aiden. Morgan and Dory, thank you for checking in. Kaylee, make sure your computer isn't mute. Dominic and Kiera, thank you for checking in. Chloe, no, you do not have to explain. Yep, Charlie, you can head out if you don't have any questions. Biggest thing is I just want to make sure that no one has questions at all. I can work it out with you. If you do have questions, just tell me the lesson number and the number. All right, bye, Kaden. Thanks for checking in. Bye, Morgan, Dory. Thank you for checking in again. Bye, Cammy. Thank you for checking in. Raleigh, thank you for checking in. Bye, Gabe. I don't have a Fortnite username, so I don't know what you're talking about there, Carson. Bye, Carson. I don't have a name in Fortnite, Carson, so I can't really help you with that. Or I don't know what you're talking about. If there is a name, I haven't played Fortnite's for 9-10 months. Ryan Teagan, thank you for checking in. If you guys have any questions, let me know what lesson you need help on. and what question is in that lesson you need help on. If you don't need any help, just make sure you check in, and then you guys can head out. I don't know how I can see the dislikes. Karina, thank you for checking in. Bye, Maddox. Thanks for checking in. Bye, Karina. Nope. Again, Carson, no idea what you're talking about. Bye, Raleigh. Thanks for checking in. Lily, thank you for checking in. I'm going to have to give that Wyatt a talking to personally, send him a Zoom invite and chew his butt out for disliking it. Perfect, Orion or Tegan. If you both finish, that's awesome. Oh, okay. Never mind then. Won't have to yell at Wyatt. I wonder why it's not loading. Emma, sorry about that. I do not play COD. No, Weston. Excuse me. Jillian, thank you for checking in. Again, if you guys have questions, don't be afraid to ask on your assignments for this past week. I'm not tired. Nope, not today. Bye, Emma. Thank you for checking in. Dom, when's your birthday? It says early birthday, so it must be coming up. Is it your birthday today, Dom? Oh, tomorrow. Okay, well, happy early birthday again, Dom. Well, then that's why you're tired, Greta, is because of that. Especially playing one of those games at late at night. I don't know if I would be my top choice to do any of that. Well, hopefully Kendra comes on so I can wish her happy birthday. Nobody has questions today. That's crazy. That's good though. If you guys don't have questions. Ooh, I can't even stay up that late, Greta. Too old for that now. I haven't really had to do Zoom yet, Cammy. I don't know. I know how to do it. It's just I haven't set it up yet. Ooh, that's a tough one, Carson. I'm gonna guess 2. Back so soon, Weston. Greta, why don't you like Zoom? No, makes sense. On an iPad. Luke, thanks for checking in. Had to wait till your mom got off her staff meeting, apparently. I don't even know if I left that meeting. Must have closed out. Carson, 10 minus 10, 0. And that's that's why I struggle having doing Zoom is that kind of thing. Is screaming, talking out of turn, like that kind of stuff would be tough. And I guess we haven't really had to I haven't really had to set up a Zoom because not a lot of questions get asked on YouTube Live, so then there's not going to be a lot of questions asked on Zoom, so Carly, thank you for checking in again. Those of you who just tuned in, if you guys have questions, like I said in my email, if you have questions, don't be afraid to ask. And then if you don't have any questions, then you can head out. So I just want you guys to check in for attendance purposes. 8 divided by 10 plus 2. Ooh, that's a good one. 8. Well, it'd be 8 divided by 10 plus 2. So then we have to go 8 divided by 10 first. So that'd be 0. We'll put it as a decimal. So it'd be 8 tenths plus 2. It'd be 2 and 8 tenths. A lot of people would talk on Zoom. Yes, I get that. It's just if there's no questions like now during YouTube Live, like you guys are struggling, then what's the like? I'm not gonna have a Zoom meeting on top of a YouTube Live meeting. Yeah, that's too many digits, Carson. Lily, I'm not gonna tell you all the answers. No. Bye, Carly. Thank you for tuning in. Kendra, happy birthday. Thank you for checking in. And Riley, thank you for checking in. If you guys have questions, let me know. Otherwise, Kendra, you were emailing me back and forth yesterday, so I kind of covered a lot of your questions yesterday, but Sorry, Kendra, that you aren't able to be in school on your birthday, but when are you guys moving your house? Kendra and Riley. When's that happening? Ooh, Jesselyn, I don't know. I don't know what you should draw. Draw Percy. Drawing is one of my not so strong suits. I'm not a fan of drawing. Coloring's okay, but drawing is no thanks. End of May. That's exciting. Bye. Ryan and Tegan, thank you guys for checking in. Make sure you get you guys' work in, please. Are you guys going to have a basement up on the hill then? Or are you just putting it on a cement slab? Doing it for eyes closed. If you should share that with me, so then Jesselyn, so I can see how it turns out. Oh, Greta, I didn't see your question. Sorry. Non-hard math questions. Is that what your question was? You have in a basement. So then they still have to dig up that, but days until school is over. So technically our last day of school is May 27th. So today is April 15th, so 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 31 days left of school. What? Greta, I'm confused. Just retype your question because I'm not seeing it. Oh, are they putting it in the new development, Kendra or Riley? A month. Yeah, basically a month. Well, it's over a month. It's 31 school days. It's not 31 like weekend days either. So we're still over a month because we get out on the 27th. That's our last day. Well, if you close your eyes and you don't have Percy in front of you, I bet you he's hard to draw. Oh, 0 plus 0, 0. Aaron, thank you for checking in. 31 school days, Jillian. 31 school days. So it's more than 31 actual days, but it's 31 days in school. So take it as you want, but you will not have homework in the summer, Carson. No. Unless you want some, then I can definitely get you some, but Oh, you want Percy? Yeah, I can grab him quick. Percy's still breathing. He's still here. I'll go grab him. Percy, they want to see you. All right, sorry, I'm back. Here he is. Around 6 weeks, yes. Yeah, I gotta put the camera down a little bit. There we go. Uh, 31 days of school left, Aaron, of like actual school days. I think he's been missing you guys. Barb said yesterday, Percy was kind of down in the dumps. He wouldn't come out of his little canopy. Only if you want it, at, Lily, summer school. We can for sure make that work. I'm there with you, Carson. School's been really quiet without everyone in here, so it's kind of weird. Well, he's lonely, Aiden, because he misses you guys. I'm guessing that's why he said why. Oh, Carson, why? That stands for my class. Four, right? No, because I'm afraid my cat will, or my dog will get a hold of Percy, and I don't think Barb would allow me to take him home. I think Barb would, get lonely here at the school without Percy. Yeah, it should be four ducks, I think. Score. Aaron, I feel like an evil person petting a black cat. Or like sitting on my throne. Like I know what you're talking about. Like sitting on a throne and like petting like like a cat or a dog or something, like a small dog. Instead I have a evil guinea pig. Percy, can you see yourself? He's looking like right at right at the screen. Only because of McCanna's class. Yep, they're they were my first group I had in as a teacher. Good luck trying to get up on the third story window there, Greta. you say hi back, Percy? Hi. Hi. I couldn't tell, Carson. Why is that, Lily? Why is that the only pet you can have? I don't know if tier 168 or 167 is good, but it's a high number, so it's got to be good. I'm guessing that is that how many times you've leveled up? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Lily. That's no fun. I'm making them happy, not crying. Guinea pigs usually it's when they're scared or when they're happy when they make that noise. Hopefully, I'm not scaring them. I don't know. That's a good question. Kendra or Riley, whichever one said that. I'm not trying to scare him. I'm sorry. He could be scared of himself. Yeah, he's seen doubles. True, Aaron. He's born that way. Oh, Carson, no. Yuck. Good. I'm glad you're just kidding, Carson. Because that would be nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. That is true. I just don't want to bring him home. Just because if something happens to him or anything. If the school closes, then I might have to. But until that day, he'll stay here. Well, Carson, you've we're here for 3/4 of a year, so you should know he's not a robot. Greta. True. Yeah, I don't know what would happen. I don't think that's edible. Guinea pig meat is probably not the best out there. Right, Percy? Let's not find out. Yep. I am on YouTube Live, yep. You want to say hi to the kids? There's a few on here. There's 10 of them. Hi.
If I can fit it.
Yeah.
Okay. Homeroom first hour or homeroom 7th hour, and then you have those kids through your Eagle time, so you could lop off 10 minutes of your thing, and you'd have a half hour for it.
Right.
What do you like better? You and Haley brought up, do what you two did and take like 10 minutes first thing in the morning with your homeroom.
Yep.
Then switch because it's a 50-minute.
I like that. I like that. I like the
Okay.
10 minutes in the first hour, so like they get settled,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
I like that.
Okay. We'll see that. Make that work.
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Webb. Hopefully, saw you guys. They're trying to schedule for next year. Classes for next year. So, yeah, that's why he was in here. He had to ask a question about scheduling for next year. So, I think I'm going to stay on you guys for about 10 more minutes, and then we'll probably. I literally have not answered a math. Well, except for the ones that you guys. Weston asked me one, and then, well, Carson with his 0 + 0 or 1 + 1, but haven't answered any questions. So I'll wait till I'll give you 8 more minutes, and then we'll call it a day unless there's somebody pops on and has questions. Then I'll stay on. But I saw WWE is actually staying WrestleMania happened, and then WrestleMania happened, and now they're still doing like weekly shows because they're deeming themselves essential. So that's interesting. Yep, Aaron, easy stuff. 10 - 7 is 3. But if you less numbers on your lessons, if you guys had questions. But if you don't, that's totally fine. I'm happy you guys don't have questions. That means you're understanding, but there you go. The circle of life. What lesson, Carson? $62. Okay, so 9 in the equation. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. 9 times 11 equals 100 minus blank. Okay, well, first you got to figure out what 9 times 11 is, Carson. And 9 times 11, to do that, you just go like this. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. So then 99 equals 100 minus what? So that'll be your answer. So 100 minus what is 99? Blake, thank you for checking in. If you have questions, let me know so that I can help you in any way. If you don't have questions, you're free to go whenever. So 1. So, yep, Carson, that's your answer. Lesson number 4, lesson 62. Glenda drove across the desert at an average speed of 60 miles per hour. At that rate, how far would she drive in 4 hours? Make a table to solve the problem. Okay, I'm going to put Percy down for this one. Okay. Blake, thank you for checking in again. So 60 miles per hour. So say, reach this up a little bit. There we go. We have 60 miles in 1 hour. Okay. What do we do to, Sorry. Okay, 63, number 4. Okay, so then I'll just stop doing that one then. What is the sum of the even numbers that are greater than 10 but less than 20? So, even numbers greater than 10. So, what are the even numbers? That'd be, so greater than 10, it has to be greater than 10. So, it's 12, 14, 16, 18, but less than 20. So, the sum, we're adding them together. So, you just add up those numbers and that should be your answer, Lily. And then Lily, let me know what you get for your answer so I can tell you if it's right or not. Greta, I don't even know. I don't even remember your old desk. I don't remember where anybody was sitting. Definitely not. Well, what? Carson, 110. Where'd you get 110? I got Percy hair all over me. Need a lint roller. Ugh. Oh, no. 12, 14, 16, 18. That is not 110. In the back by. Oh. At the end of the stream, I will. Greta, I'll wait till Lily gets back in when she gets done answering the question. Not that I'm rushing you, Lily. Don't worry. Don't rush, but. I'm glad I got to answer some questions, though. I cannot give you the answer, Lily. Sorry. If you add up these numbers and then you tell me what you get, then I'll give you the answer, but. I like the effort, though, Lily. Trying to get the answers, but I'm not that easy to fool. Hey, don't eat the computer there, Percy. Yes, Lily, that is correct. It would be 60. All right, so my computer should be all charged up. If you guys have questions, keep asking them. That's great. Greta, I'll show you your desk. Here's the flip well, what's going on? This is hard. That's the camera stand that I've been using to videotape, the swivel. But it's one of those desks. I don't know which one it is. I'm trying to epic fail right now. There we go. One of those desks. Oh yeah, Kendra, that's right. You sit back there too. And Kendra, Neva, Greta. And then I don't know who else sat with you guys. I can't remember. Noah. I think it was Noah. Right? Was it Noah? $9.55. What? I don't know what that means. Dominic or Kiera. You're welcome, Carson. Anytime. That was from way back in lesson 1 and 10, that number 4. Make sure you show your work though, Carson. Don't just put the answer. Because then I know. I will know. And I will find you and I will call you out. I'll go with the video for like 3 more minutes. And then if there's no more questions, then then we'll probably head out. But question 9. What? Lesson 55? You shouldn't have to. Lesson 50. You shouldn't have 55. Question 9, number 55. Question 9. I don't know, Kiera or Dominic, what. You shouldn't be doing lesson 55. So I'm confused. Well, that would be Kiera, but. Page 4. So then, so page 402, what number, Kiera? Because it's 1 through 7 on page 402. Okay, page 403. So lesson 62, number 9. So recall that prime number has exactly 2 factors. Which of these numbers has exactly 2 factors? So remember, the only numbers that can go into it are 1 and itself. So we have, that's what a prime number is. So we have A is 7, B is 8, 9, 10. So 8, C is 9, D is 10. Okay, so remember, a prime number is a number that the factors that go into it are 1 in itself. So let's look at letter A first. So can any numbers go into 7? Can any numbers go into 7? Kiera. I don't know if that no is for me or, well, a calculator won't help you with this one. So I don't know why you would want to use a calculator. No, so then that would be your answer. Nothing can go into 7 except 1 in itself. So that's what makes it prime. So that's your answer. It's just A. Now, composite number has more than 2 factors. So it has 3 or more. That's a composite number. But a prime number is just 1 in itself. Yep. So Kiara, I gotcha. No, you may not use a calculator. Shouldn't need to. Okay, perfect. You're welcome, Kiara. We'll wait 2 more minutes, and if nobody else has questions, then we'll call her a day for videos. But I'm glad I got to answer some questions at least, but had to wait a little bit, which is fine. Yeah, Carson, good try. But again, that's you needing to do it and not needing help. You're just picking and not to do it. And that's today's lesson. I mean, that's the ones you need to do is 1 through 11. So I don't know. I mean, it's 11 questions, man. It's not that hard. You should get it done within 20 minutes. No, you cannot use a calculator, Lily. And if we spelled calculator correct, that'd be awesome. You shouldn't have to need a calculator, Lily, in your assignments. You cannot use a calculator. It does not take 5 hours to do 13 problems. Trust me, when you get to high school and you have Mrs. Iowan, she gives you like 70 problems a night. So, good luck. You think my work is hard. But no, you can't. But time's up. I'm gonna check out for the day with YouTube Live. If you guys do have questions, email me. I'll answer them there as well. Okay. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Appreciate bye too. Bye guys. Bye. There he said it.